bacon cheddar deviled eggs. Are you interested? For bacon cheddar deviled eggs, we are going to need 12 hard-boiled eggs. We're going to cut them in half and separate the yolk from our egg whites. Cut them horizontally. We'll do this for them all until they are all separated. Once your eggs, whites, and yolk are separated, we will need half a cup of mayonnaise. We will also need half a teaspoon of salt. A fourth a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll mix this all together, breaking up our yolks in there as well. We also need 2 tablespoons of mild cheddar cheese. Add a little bit more than that. Talking cheese here. And then we need a tablespoon of mustard. And we'll mix it again. There we go. Mix that all in so it's nice. And then we want to add our cooked bacon. I mean, you can finally dice this, so it's a little easier for you. But big chunks of bacon's not a bad thing always. if you want to throw this in a plastic bag so that you can pipe it easier, this would be a great time to do so. Might need a spoon. I think a spoon might make this one easier. Just because of the rounded edges. I mean, it'd be easier if I grabbed a Ziploc and did it that way, but look at that. These will sit in the fridge for a little while so that they can hold their shape too. And look at that. Bacon cheddar deviled eggs. Well, that's not very much. Grab some more. The other thing you could do is once you're done with it, top it with bacon so there's a nice piece on top. Oopa. The problem is, I made more eggs than I needed to. But, can you really ever have too many deviled eggs? That one was a sloppy one. You want to make sure that you fill up each egg. Don't want to leave any behind. Could also add paprika in there. I always like adding paprika at the end as you're getting ready to eat it. That way it doesn't get dry. Now, I never said I made the prettiest food, but I do make good flavored food. Look at this. Bacon, the crunch from the bacon, the richness of the cream, of the cheese, and the mayonnaise and the mustard. It just goes so good together. If you would like to try this, I will leave the recipe below. Hope you have a great night and wonderful eating. Don't forget to like and subscribe.